Imagine this. What if $10,000 showed up in your life in just 7 days? Not by luck, not by lottery, but by using the real power of your mind. Yes, this is possible with something called the law of attraction. Today, I'll show you 4 easy steps and 1 bonus trick to help you attract money, even if you're a total beginner. So watch till the end. This can really change your life. Most people think that law of attraction means just saying, "I am rich, I am rich." But that's not enough. The real magic happens when your thoughts, your feelings, and your energy match what you want. That's what we call vibration. If your vibration is right, money comes to you easily. Today, I'll teach you 4 simple ways to shift your vibration and bring in money fast. But before I show you the techniques, let me tell you the real-life experience of one of the most famous people in the world. Yes, I'm talking about Jim Carrey. He wasn't always a millionaire. In fact, there was a time when he was completely broke. No house, no job, no money. Just a dream. One day he wrote himself a check for $10 million. He dated it 5 years into the future, and in the memo line he wrote, "For acting services rendered." He kept that check in his wallet. Every single day, he looked at it. He visualized it. He believed it was real. And guess what? 5 years later, he got a movie offer. The payment? Exactly $10 million. Coincidence? I don't think so. That's the law of attraction at work. Belief plus emotion plus action equals manifestation. And now, let's talk about how you can do the same. Technique 1. Mirror money ritual. Every morning, after brushing your teeth, stand in front of your mirror. Look into your own eyes and say, "I am rich. I receive money easily. I am ready for $10,000. Say it 3 times and smile. Feel like you already have the money. When you talk to yourself in the mirror with love, your brain starts to believe it's real. That's when things start to change. Technique 2. 33 times writing trick. This is called the 33x method. Take a notebook. At the top, write, "I am so happy I received $10,000. Now write this sentence 33 times in one go. Do this every day for 7 days. But here's the bonus tip. After writing, close your eyes and imagine you already have the money. What are you doing with it? Are you buying something? Helping your family? Saving it? The more clearly you see it, the faster it comes." Technique 3. Candle and coin night ritual. This one is a little fun and very powerful. At night, light a green or white candle. Hold a coin in your hand, any coin works. Now say, "I welcome money into my life. Thank you, universe." Look at the candle flame for 5 minutes. Imagine money coming into your room like golden light. Feel safe, feel rich, and feel thankful. This helps your brain relax and receive money energy. Before sleeping, search for a sound like 888 Hz money frequency on YouTube. Play it softly while you sleep. Say this once before sleeping. "Money comes to me even while I sleep." Your brain listens even when you're not awake. This is how we reprogram the mind without hard work. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They beg the universe. They say, "Please give me money, I really need it." This energy is called desperation, and the universe doesn't respond to that. Instead, be calm. Say, "I know it's already coming." Trust like it's already on the way. That's when it works. If you're serious about changing your money life, try these 4 steps for 7 days. Comment below, "I am ready to receive money now." Like this video if it helped you. And subscribe, because in the next video I'll share how to attract opportunities, not just money. Remember, you don't have to chase money, you just have to become someone who naturally attracts it. The universe is listening. Speak with faith and receive with joy. Thank you for watching. I believe in you. Let's manifest your dream life together. See you in the next video.